In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly private your liked videos on TikTok so only you can see them. I should mention that this does work for both iOS and Android devices and it's very easy to do, so let's get started. So by default, others will be able to see your videos that you have liked on TikTok, and just like me, you probably don't want people to see your liked videos on TikTok for whatever reason. So to change the visibility of your liked videos, what we need to do is first open up the TikTok app, of course, and be logged in. You should then be on your home feed like this. Next, we want to press on the Me tab at the bottom right of the screen, and you should be taken to your profile page just like this. Now, at this point, you need to press on the three dots at the top right of the page, and the settings and privacy will pop up. Next, just under the account tab, find privacy and tap on that. Now your screen should look like this, so just scroll down until you get to the safety section near the bottom of the page and just find liked videos from this list and press on it. And as you can see, it will say who can watch your liked videos, and you have the choice of everyone or only me. And to completely private liked videos so no one can see them, just press on only me. Now I've already done this, but yours should be on everyone by default, and that's why you're having this problem. And just to add, if you have any other concerns about your account's safety, once you've turned your liked videos private, you can come back by pressing the arrow at the top left, and all of these settings here, you can change them and it will help go towards your account's privacy and safety. Anyway, that's how you can quickly private your liked videos on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to help get this video out to more people, and also help me on my journey to becoming the biggest digital tutorial channel on YouTube. And of course, don't forget to let me know in the comments if this is still working. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.